Today we're going to be putting on some new brake pads on the Scat Pack. So Sophia actually ran this thing completely dry with no brake pads and the rotor's completely warped. But we're going to put on some new brake pads and we're going to be doing some painting right there. While we take the wheels off, we're going to fix up the curb rash that's all over them. You can't see it on that one, but if we go up here, yeah, you can see a little bit of curb rash. What? And we're also going to be painting these brake calipers this color right here. So we're going with white. Hopefully it turns out good. It might get a little bit too dirty, but we'll see how it turns out. Right now we're jacking up the Scat Pack to get it ready to take all the wheels off, do the brake calipers, and then change the brake pads. Got this jack stand under there. Goes right on the jack puck, and then we're figuring out that one. What'd you say, Cody?
Man crushed by boat on land.
Oh, man. Good?
She's good.
Yeah, it's good. What's that, Matt?
This TikTok said, make comment section look like a Mopar owner search history. I said, outboard motors for sale cheap.
Just a little bit rusty on that. A rusty boy. Yeah, I don't do my own work, Cody.
That's right, you don't do your own work.
Aside from the Challenger, here's Bozo 50. He just put on a new wicker bill right here, and then we have Matt's S197. S197 is super clean. I said it in previous videos, I like it a lot, and that's deep impact blue on that one, and then we have Kona blue on Bozo 50. How's it going, Cody?
Right now. Getting this boat in the air.
Mr. Bob the Builder right here.
That's right. She sure this is the right lock? Could be.
I don't do my own work around here, so I've never done this before. But yeah, we're gonna get it done. Wondering, this is an Amazon Pack impact gun, and this is a 1/2-inch drive with a 7/8 socket. The brake pads that we're replacing the OEM ones with, so Sophia decided to slap the absolute shit out of me, but these are Power Stop Extreme Z26 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads. This is what they look like before we put them in. We don't have the right spline drive to disassemble the calipers, so we're gonna have to make yet another trip to AutoZone. That's how it is out here. We don't actually need a spline drive. All we need to do is push out these 2 pins. Yeah, there's 2 pins. So we have to head to AutoZone and get the thing so we can take it out. We're taking Bozo 50 out here. He also did this side marker right here. So I did the same exact mod on Sally. It's white instead of red. That actually sounded pretty good, but right now Bozo 50 is running a stock exhaust with an X-pipe from Steeda. He needs to get loud like Sally, and he's eventually going to go boosted, so we just have to convince Cody to go boosted. Quick little pull on the way. Oh, he just slid up here, Cody. Ooh, did you miss or did you get locked out?
I grinded and locked out.
You grinded and locked out?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, that's tough. I can relate.
You got that on video, huh?
Any luck, Cody? You find those pins?
I'm looking right
I
now.
found them. Right here. Matt, come on. Little update. So we ended up going to Harbor Freight because AutoZone was completely useless and they didn't have the punch set. So now we're gonna head back and hopefully get it down this time. No more tool runs. These are what the pins look like. Now Max is calling Cody up on the phone, and we got these from Harbor Freight. So you just push it out with a hammer and the pins come right out. We got one out so far, and number 2 came out.
Don't forget to mention
yes,
it's
sir.
been 4 hours.
Oh yeah. This was a little bit of a flop. So these are 6-piston brake pads, and we have a 4-piston Brembo right there. So what we're gonna do is just put these lube or grease back on it and stick the OEM ones back in there, because this is not gonna work out. These aftermarket ones are not gonna fit. Then we're just gonna push it back in real quick. There you go. Okay. And then you just put the pins back in. So these go right back in. You also want to put some grease on
this up.
So now we're pushing the pins in, and then we're gonna take the same punch tool and hit it from the back. It's like slipping all over the place because my hands are so greasy. I think we completely flopped, so the back pad actually may fit. Got it, Sophia?
Yeah.
Pulling out that pad. There's number 1, and it's not that worn. Look at it. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it's getting there. Here's the worn pad, so you can see the wear compared to the one that's brand new. It's not that bad, but we're gonna replace them anyways. Before you put in the new brake pad, you actually want to put some silicone grease on the back of it. Then you just slide it in super easy. You got it?
So easy.
POV. You're the silicone grease on the brake pad. So here's the other side. This goes on the inner rotor.
Pause. What the f am I doing?
Yeah, that side. That's all right. You got it sorted. So we're punching the pins back in. We got the clip on. The way these will work is that you put it back over this clip and you push it through. Then you use the punch to pull the pin all the way through on this side. Yeah, it's almost there. One pin is through, but this is a pain in the ass. So we're trying to get the second pin to match up like that. Push it all the way through. You got to keep hitting it from the back. This is the exact pin that I'm trying to push through. It's kind of a pain. And you're supposed to use a punch, but the angle's not too good for that. Did it go through? No, it's not even going through.
Toby.
So now we're on the other side.
Not hitting the...
Yeah. Slowly getting there. You just got to push it through.
Toby knows how to hit it from the back. That's what I did.
It's almost through.
Why is it? No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not even moving.
This one.
Here,
Look.
move.
Okay.
Let the woman show you how it's done, since some of us can't exactly quite do it. We push this, and we just pull the pin. We don't even no longer have to push.
We finished up the second rear caliper. Now we're just gonna mask it off like we've done up here, and we're gonna paint them white. So this should be pretty interesting. Cody's gonna get some trash bags and cover up the rotors. First, you use a wire brush to scuff up the surface of the Brembo. Then you use some brake cleaner. So you just spray that like that. You wanna get the back too? So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to paint your calipers.
Shut up, there's a kid. Language.
What's up, dude? It's like 14.
No, he's not. I can't help.
Right now we're scuffing up the caliper to get it ready for painting. Bro.
Call 911.
Long story short, we don't have proper cleaning supplies for these wheels, so wheels. And now we're going on to the calipers.
I can't say that.
Yes, I can. I'll just censor it out, right, Cody?
That's right, yeah.
So we've got one trash bag on.
No, it's not on.
Oh, okay. Already did the front passenger caliper. Now Cody here is finishing off the masking on the back, and we'll finish up the second coat of primer on the front.
It'd be like they can do touch-up paint in your car.
Okay. All right. Time for the second coat. Oh, we have other plans. I was doing that. Sophia, I need my hand. All right, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry. So while we have Cody labor and mask the rest of the car off, we're gonna take a look at our lineup. So Cody's 5.0, and then we got the Challenger in the back, S197. What? Oh yeah, the Beamer. Yeah,
This is the
this is the build.
feature right here.
Oh yeah, grill
Right over
delete.
here too. I think this is a silver Sharpie.
We featured this build in another video, actually Supercar Saturdays. So if you guys haven't checked out that video yet, click the link in the top right hand corner of the screen. Alrighty boys, time for the white. That's kind of wet still, but whatever, we'll set it. Ooh, actually looks really cool.
Hey, there's so much overspray coming out from over here, bro.
Overspray?
Yes, from over here.
I'm not spraying excessively right now.
It's not gonna be white, it's fine.
That's the first coat. Matt is dipping out on us early. I mean, he didn't really contribute much, but... We're making some progress here, so we have all sides with primer on. The first one's actually done, so Cody had to make a run to the bank real quick. He just came back. Overall, it's looking pretty good. So this needs only one more coat to be done. I'm gonna zoom in, hopefully the camera will focus. And then if we go around, we have base coat or primer done on this one. So there's 2 coats done on that. And then on the rear wheel, we also have this one done. 2 coats, that one's drying off, and then it's time for white. On this side, we went ahead and stuck the Brembo sticker on. Now the clear coat's all done. This is the finished product, so it looks absolutely insane. No clue how long these are gonna stay white for though. Now we're just gonna unmask everything. So this is the most satisfying part. Probably gonna turn out better on the phone, honestly. god. Max would lose it here. What we're gonna go ahead and do is use a wire brush to make sure we get all the overspray off, so it just comes right off like that. Finished up with everything, took all the masking off, and we're just slapping the wheels on. How's it going, Cody?
Pretty good.
You tired?
A little bit. I've been up since 7 a.m. with only 3 hours of sleep.
And we're also gonna torque it to spec, so I think it's 115 or 130 pound-foot. Sophia's gonna start up her car real quick, so we're almost done with the wheels. We're just gonna use the floor jack to raise up the car and then remove the jack stands. We'll be set to go after that.
All right, get out of there, Sophia.
Cool. Grab that
Get
one.
out of there.
Can you grab that one?
Yeah. We finished up with everything. We're in a little bit of a rush because we have to go to dinner, but we did follow the brake-in procedure for the brakes. You're supposed to do like moderate decelerations and accelerations just to break it in and make sure that you don't warp the rotors. I'll catch you guys once we get back to the apartment so that we can look at the final result in the light. We just pulled up to a gas station to show you guys what this looks like under good lighting. So you can see the back one right there. That's the back caliper with the white. And then try to hit me with the door. And then there's the front. So I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out, and I think maybe we'll switch up the colors on Sally if I feel like it, going through all that effort. Alrighty, one more time, and then I'm gonna have Sophia do a drive-by. So that's what it looks like. Overall, really pleased with how it turned out. Here's a quick little close-up on that. So the Brembo sticker turned out pretty good. We clear coated it, so it should.
My curved wheels, bro.
Oh yeah,
don't be
disregard
looking at that.
disregard the curb rash right there. Block that out, but censor it. And there's a clear coat over that. It looks so sick. One quick little pull before we end the vlog. Sounds so good.